My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In our last lecture, we did exercise 1.7 up to question number 4. Now we are going to start from question number 5. Question number 5 of exercise 1.7 is g of x is equal to x square minus 1. G of x is equal to x square minus 1 for x is greater than or equal to 0. Sketch on the single diagram the graph of y equal to g of x, graph of y equal to g of x, and graph of y equal to g inverse of x. Y equal to g inverse of x. Showing the coordinates of any point where curves meets the coordinates axis. First of all, we are going to draw graph for y equal to g of x. For that, we need here table as domain values are given here. All the domain values given, that is x greater than or equal to 0. Here is x, and here is g of x or y, we can write. As x greater than or equal to 0, we will take here domain 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, enough up to 3 is enough. We can take 4, 5. More values also we can take. If x here 0, 0 square, 0, 0 minus 1, here will be minus 1. Then 1 square is 1 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. Then 2 square here is 4 and 4 minus 1 will be 3. Then after that 3 square 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Here we are having 4 different points, 0 minus 1, 1 0, 2 3, 3 8. One more value here we can take when x equal to 4, 4 square 16 minus 1 is 15. Now we can draw graph of y is equal to g of x. This is x-axis, y-axis. This is x-axis, positive x, positive y. This side is negative x and downward is negative y. Then we'll mention the points. Here, first point is 0 minus 1. x0 and y minus 1. Downward here. This minus 1 and 0. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Along x-axis, we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Now, the first point here is 0 minus 1, x0, y minus 1, this point. Then 1, 0 is this point. Then 2, 3. 2, 3 then 3, 8, 3, 8, then 4, 15. 15 will be somewhere like this. Then here graph will be of this shape. Graph will be of this shape. Now, as this is the graph of y is equal to g of x. Now we have to draw the graph of y equal to g inverse of x. For that, we need to draw first the line y is equal to x. Here, that will be the line of symmetry. This is the line y is equal to x. That is bisecting first and third quadrant. Okay. This is straight line y is equal to x. Now, the reflection we will draw at the other side. Okay. In the reflection, here, as this is minus 1, 0, then here we will take 0, minus 1, this side. 0, minus 1. Then this is crossing x-axis at 1, 0. Then here we will take 1, 0, this point. Then here reflection of this one will be this one. After that, this curve will go in this way. In the reflection, this curve will go in this way. This is the graph of y is equal to g inverse of x. After that is saying here, showing the coordinates of any point where the curves meets the coordinate axis. These points are on x-axis this one and this one, on y-axis this one and this one. Okay, on x-axis this is 1, 0, this is minus 1, 0. At x-axis points are 1, 0 and minus 1, 0, and at y-axis points are, this is 0, minus 1, and this is 0, 1. 0, minus 1 and 0, 1. These are the points. Okay, 2 points. This one is on x-axis and one is on y-axis. Is at y is equal to g of x, and 2 points. Y is on y-axis and one is on x-axis, that is at y is equal to g inverse of x. This is the complete question. Then next question is, question number 6. In question number 6, f of x equal to 4x minus 2. F of x equal to 4x minus 2. For minus 1 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. For minus 1 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. Here domain is given from minus 1 to 3. Sketch on the single diagram the graph of y equal to f of x and y equal to f inverse of x, showing the coordinates of any point where the line meet the coordinate axis. Same thing as we have done in the previous question, we will do here. First of all, drawing table. Here we will take value of x, and here f of x or y we can say. As domain is given -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, then range we need to write here. When x -1 here, when x here -1, 4 into -1, -4, -4 -2 will be -6, and 4 into x 0, 4 into 0, 0, 0 -2 will be -2, 4 into 1, 4, 4 -2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, -2 is 6, 4 3s are 12, -2 is 10. These are the range values. Now we have to draw the graph. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, positive x, positive y, negative x, and negative y. At x-axis, this -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y-axis is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and upward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Now we have to draw the graph. For that, we need to sketch the points -1, -6, x -1, y -6, this point. Then 0, -2 is this one. Then 1, 2 is this one. Then 2, 6. 2, 6. That will be here. Okay. Then 3, 10 will be here somewhere. Okay. Then we need to join these points. These points we have to join now, and this will gives us the straight line. Okay, this will gives us a straight line like this. This one. Now, as this is the graph for y is equal to f of x. Now we need to draw the graph of y is equal to f inverse of x. For that, first of all, we will draw here the line y is equal to x. This line y is equal to x. Line of symmetry, the mirror line. Okay. Now, as at x-axis, this is 0, -2, and here y-axis we will take -2, 0. Here at x-axis 1, 0. Then y-axis we will take 0, 1. Then we have to join these 2 points here like this. Then after that we will produce this straight line, and this will be the graph of y is equal to f inverse of x. Now here this y is equal to f of x meet x-axis at point, this y is equal to f of x meet x-axis at this point, that is 1, 0, and y-axis at this point, that is 0, -2, 0, -2, and y equal to f inverse of x meets x-axis, y is equal to f inverse of x meets x-axis at this point. This is x -2, y 0, -2, 0, and y-x is 8. This point, this is x 0 and y is 1. X 0, y 1. This is the complete solution of question number 6. Now we are going to start the next question, question number 7. In question number 7, the function f is defined by f such that x to 3 minus x plus 1. Mean f of x is equal to 3 minus x plus 1 whole square for x is greater than or equal to minus 1. For x is greater than or equal to minus 1. Explain why f has an inverse. First part is explain why f or f of x has an inverse. This is first part. As domain is given x is greater than or equal to minus 1. When we will substitute all the domain values, when we will substitute domain values that is given here, x greater than or equal to minus 1 in f of x, then we will get different range values. Mean no range value will repeat. No range value will repeat itself. Here, just for example, here I'm explaining as f of x is given here 3 minus x plus 1 whole square. If we will substitute x minus 1, mean the first domain value, 3 minus here x minus 1 plus 1 whole square, minus 1 plus 1 0, 3 minus 0 will be 3. Then at x 0, 3 minus x 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 square will be 1 here, will gives us 2. Then x 1, 3 minus x is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 square will be 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1, then x is equal to 2 we are taking here, 3 minus x2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 square is 9, 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Now you can see on every domain value, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, we are getting the different range value. In range value, no repetition is there. 3, 2, minus 1, minus 6, then after that will gives us further different values. This is the reason. Therefore, this function we can say one-to-one function. Therefore, f of x is having one-to-one mapping, one-to-one function. And you know, every one-to-one function, every one-to-one function is having its inverse function. is having its inverse function. In all the one-to-one function, their inverse function exists for every one-to-one function. This is the first part. Then after that, in part B, part B is find an expression for f inverse of x in term of x. As f of x is given, that is 3 minus x plus 1 whole square. Now we need to find here f inverse. First of all, at the place of x, we will substitute y. 3 minus this x plus 1 whole square as it is. This negative times x plus 1 other side will be positive x plus 1 whole square. This 3 as it is, and this y is minus y. Now we have to take square root on both sides to cancel the square. This side also we will take square root, and this side also we have to take square. Square root cancel. X plus 1, and this side will be 3 minus y. Then x will be equal to square root of 3 minus y, and that plus 1, this side is minus 1. Then x, you know that we can write f inverse of y, and that will be 3 minus y minus 1. Then both sides we are replacing y with x. F inverse of x will be 3 minus x minus 1. This is the inverse function of f of x. After that, in third part, part C. Part C, what is there? On the same axis, sketch the graph of y equal to f of x and y equal to f inverse of x, showing the coordinates of any point where the curve meets the coordinates axis. For that thing, as we are already having there the different values, for those values we can draw here the table. X here, f of x, or y. You know, in x there was domain -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then what is f of x? That already we found. This you can see these values here we can substitute. When x -1, f of x is 3. X 0, f of x is 2. Then -1, then -6. If x 3, 3 plus 1, 4 square, 16. 3 minus 16 will be -13 here. Okay, this is the table. Now easily we can draw the graph. This is y-axis. This is x-axis, positive x, negative x, upward positive y, downward negative y. For these x's, when you will draw on your notebook, you can use scale. Here the first point is -1, 3. X -1, y positive 3 is 1, 2, 3. Then 0, 2. X 0, y 2. This 1 and this is 2. Then 1 minus 1. X 1, y minus 1. Downward. Then x2, y minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. Then 3, 13 also you can draw. Now from these points we can draw the curve. that will be like this. This is the graph of y is equal to f of x. Now to draw the graph of inverse function, first of all we have to draw y is equal to x. This is the line y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. Now to draw the image of this graph, what we will do, as here this point is this one, the first point we have taken, that is long x-axis -1 and long y-axis is 3. Then we will go along x-axis 3 and along y-axis -1. From this point we can start. Then after that, this f of x was crossing the y-axis at 0, 2. Then for f inverse of x, we can cross the x-axis at 2, 0. Then this will be the point of intersection. That is the point of intersection of y is equal to x and y is equal to f of x. Okay. In this way, we will go. That graph will be like this. In this way. This is the graph of y is equal to f inverse of x. This is the graph of y equal to f inverse of x. Here, different coordinates where y is equal to f of x and y equal to f inverse of x meets the x's, we can write this is 0, 2, this point. This point is x2 and y0. Then this point and this point are there. Here we need to find one coordinate. As f of x is equal to 3 minus x plus 1 whole square, we can find here value of x by substituting f of x 0. F of x 0, 3 minus here x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square other side will be positive 3 as it is. Then we will take square root on both sides. Square root cancel. Here x plus 1 square root 3, you know that will be 1.7 something. Then x equal to 1.7 minus 1 will be 0.7. It means here this point is having coordinate x coordinate 0 and y coordinate is 0.7, and this coordinate here is x coordinate will be 0.7 and y coordinate is 0. These are the points where y is equal to f of x and y equal to f inverse of x meets the axis.